Hello everyone. Most people solve this question like 5 back pencil this 5, okay? So now 50 divided by 1 is equal to 50, okay? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay? PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay, so in this problem here is one division and here is multiplication, both have equal priority. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is division and here is multiplication, both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so is equal to 50. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 50 as it is same, C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this last fraction. 1 by 5 is equal to 5 by 1 multiply 5. Okay, now here is multiplication and here is multiplication, both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 50 multiply 5 is equal to 250 multiply 5. So 250 multiply 5 is equal to 1215. Okay, so the correct answer is 1250. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.